Hello, hello class. I am Mrs. Rushali Chaudhary, lecturer Praveen Patil Polytechnic. We are going to learn applied science chemistry for the second semester under subject code 22202. For the fuel chapter, we already start with the gaseous fuel. What are the gaseous fuel? These are the liquid fuels. These are the fractions obtained by fractional distillation of crude oil. What is a fractional distillation? We are heating crude oil at a high temperature. So the boiling point which are having a lower boiling point, lower viscosity get separated. So first we will get a gas that is called as a liquefied petroleum gas. Carbon is C1 to C4. Then after gasoline it gets separated. As we are moving from higher end or the top end towards the lower end, we will obtain components which is having a higher melting point later on. First we will get components which is having very low boiling point. Means when we are starting a heating a crude oil, as the temperature reaches to 25-30, all gas, that is a liquefied petroleum gas, is converted into the vapors and which is collected at the top end. Again when we are heating, temperature is goes to the 70-80, petroleum products, petrol, naphtha, gasoline get separated. When temperature reaches to the above that, kerosene, diesel get separated. Similarly, we have carried out the fractional distillation by the stepwise heating. When we are talking about the liquid fuels, we are going to consider the some properties. First property is called as a cracking. What is the cracking? Decomposition of larger hydrocarbon molecules to smaller molecules. It's called as cracking. When we are using decane, that is a C10H12, and when we are converting into this two smaller molecule, we will get a pentane and pentene. The cracking is two types: thermal cracking as well as the catalytic cracking. Next term is knocking, premature and instant ignition of petrol and air mixture, fuel and air mixture in a petrol engine, leading to production of explosive violence. It's called as knocking. In an internal combustion engine, a mixture of gasoline vapor and air is used as a fuel. After the ignition of the combustion reaction by spark in the cylinder, the flame should spread rapidly and smoothly through the gaseous mixture. Thereby, the expanding gas drives the piston downward the cylinder. What is the internal combustion engine? Any idea? Yes, that engine used for your bike, used for your car. IC engine, that is called as a internal combustion engine, which is used fuel and air mixture for the combustion. The octane number is a standard. Octane number is a standard which determines the knocking ability and quality of gasoline or petrol. Higher the octane number of gasoline, lower the knocking is produced. And octane number can be increased by the adding tetraethyl lead. It is also called as TEL, which is a knocking inhibitor. But when we are using tetraethyl lead in your bike or the engine, it is going to produce a lead that is causing environmental pollution. So whatever the petrol used for your vehicle should have a higher octane number. If the octane number is less, it is going to produce a knocking. Disturbance will be produced at the time of ignition or at the starting of engine. Cetane number. It is a measure of a ignition quality of diesel fuel. ऑक्टेन नंबर पेट्रोल के लिए है सीटेन नंबर डीजल के लिए. द वर्किंग ऑफ डीजल इंजन इज डिफरेंट देन दैट ऑफ पेट्रोल इंजन. In diesel engine, fuel is ignited by application of heat and pressure, not by a spark. Thus, the fuel should have a low ignition temperature. Diesel fuel is a cetane number, however, is actually measure of the fuel's ignition delay. The time period between the start of injection of the fuel and the start of combustion of a fuel is known as ignition. In general, higher cetane fuel will have a shorter ignition delay period than a lower cetane fuel. All types of fuel should have a low octane number and good for a diesel fuel. Thank you class. Thank you for your attention. If you have a doubt regarding the liquid fuels, any topic, whatever you covered today, you can mail me. Thank you class. Thank you so much.